This is just a quick video to show you how to add some more materials to your materials library. So let's say you're not happy with some of the general materials that are in there. If you want to add a different type of stone, I want to show you how to do that. So basically what I did first is I went to my brick wall and I did an edit type and I duplicated it and I renamed it as stone wall. So that's the one you see right here. So I'll go and edit that one. So if I'm going to edit type on this one, I added a field stone layer here. I'll show you how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is like create a new material over here. So you can add a new material to your library. So, we'll call this, where'd it go there? Okay, so go to identity there, and I'll call this stone sample 2. And so there's my stone sample 2. Okay, there it is. I'm going to go over here to my asset browser, and then you can look at different types of stones. So you can maybe browse and see what comes up. So there's some field stones. You could also look under like the stone category here or masonry and see if you like something that's like that. So there's a weathered field stone. So notice over here I still have stone sample 2 selected. If I select this one, I can replace that in the editor, and then it should replace this now. So stone sample 2, instead of that generic little gray cylinder there, it's got this new one here, and then you can use that for your field stone type. So I would just hit apply on this and OK again. Always hit that apply as you go through here. Now you can see I changed the type of stone that's on my house. Now if I go to shaded, notice how it all went to gray. So there's a couple things we can do here. You could work in realistic, but that's not going to work out very well for you. What I would have you do is go into your shaded here, select your wall, and this is the one that's our stone wall. When I go to edit this, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to edit the stone sample 2. This is the way it's going to render. This is how it's going to appear on screen, this gray color. So you could decide to change that. Maybe you're going to pick like this brown color or something, and I'll hit apply on that. And OK, apply again, and now you can see like the stone wall shows up with that brown texture. If I look at the brick that I have here, so I'm going to edit that one. So this is also a modified brick type that I used. So there's brick settle. If I go again, physical appearance, it's going to look like brick when I render. In graphics, it doesn't. So if I want to change that, to like a brick sort of color, I can do that. And again, this is only for shaded. It's not showing this in the realistic. If I go to realistic, it's going to use the true colors. Okay, so just a little bit about